everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see what is in my BoxyCharm box and my Ipsy bag for the month of February. Yay! I'm excited to see what we have in store for this month, so if you're ready, then I'm ready, so let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there, and in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I am a makeup enthusiast, not a makeup artist, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below that you can check out. Quick thank you to everybody who showed up to my Instagram live to see me create this look that I am wearing today. It was a spur of the moment thing. I just went on Instagram, boop, and hit live. So yeah. All right. Now I am really excited to see what is in these two bags, boxes, whatever you want to call them, for the month of February. Please pardon my hair. It's in a messy bun. Hashtag relatable. And yeah, let's go ahead and just dive on in. First off, let's go ahead and see what is in the Ipsy bag for the month of February. I was okay with last month's. There was a lot of products that I put into a future giveaway. But let's see what this month's gonna bring. Okay, so we have stuff on the outside of the outside of the bag. First, we have the card, and it looks like they are starting to show what is inside the bag this time. This month's theme is Swoon So Hard, I guess. It says there's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, flip for more on those, let us introduce you to your next Beauty Crush Ipsy add-ons. Basically what it is that when your glam bag picks come around, you're able to add on products. You can do sample sizes, you can do full sizes, or you can do a sample deluxe size, and they have all types of brands up there. So that's basically what it is, and you get free shipping with add-ons. All right, so let's go ahead and see what is in the bag. First, let's see what's on the outside of the bag, which looks like we have some sheet masks, and they are from the brand Surmedic. Like I have 2 of them. One is Anti-Control Multivita, and the other one is Vital Collagen. This one has hydrolyzed collagen in it, and this one has vitamin C derivative and vitamin B3 in there. Looks pretty cool. They are cruelty-free, so I can't wait to try these out and see how they work, or if they don't work, or stuff. Yeah. Can always go for new sheet masks. Always. All right. I think this bag is like super cute. Not only do they have the print on the front, but they got the print on the back as well. I really like how they did that. This is really, really cute. And of course it says Ipsy on the zipper. But yeah, I like how it's printed on both sides and not just one side. I think if it was one-sided, it wouldn't have looked great. Okay, first thing we have is from Ico. It is their Lash Alert Mascara, Wake Up and Go. And on the card, it says, your lashes are in good hands with this mascara because Ico is the go-to brand for Fab Eye formulas. It says, tip, want a extra fanned out effect? Swipe mascara from root to tip, hold the wand in a curl position for 30 seconds, and let go. The hubster just walked in the door. Let's see what this wand is about. Okay, so it's a curved wand. Y'all know I am a sucker for smelling mascaras. It smells like a decent mascara. I may have to give this a try. I can actually see how much is not in this bottle. There is like hardly anything in here. So this is like not even full. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but I can. Held up to my light. All right, let's see what's next. All right, looks like we have a shadow, I think, from Meech and Mia in the shade Caramel. I don't know if this brand is cruelty-free or not, but this is what it looks like. I will pop it at the bottom of the screen if they are cruelty-free. I did not do my research this month on if they were, if any of the brands that I was getting were not. I do know Ico is, because I've gotten products from them before. But that's a pretty shade. I'm probably not going to use this, so I will put this in a future giveaway. It says it is a pressed eyeshadow in caramel. A brand that's always on trend and affordable. What's not to love? This honey gold eyeshadow is beyond versatile. Wear it on your lids, inner corners of your eyes, and your brow bones to brighten up any look. But that's pretty. I'm just going to put it in a future giveaway. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so we have a brush from Aisling Organics. It is the brush 3, it's a 389 brush. It looks like a double-ended brush. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty-free or not. I will have to double check. But yeah, if it's cruelty-free, I'll keep it. If not, I will put this in a giveaway as well. It says, it's an Eco Luxe eyeshadow brush. A brush with kindness. Not only does this baby gorgeously blend concealer and shadows, the brand gives a portion of their proceeds to Lipstick Angels, an organization that provides beauty service to cancer patients. That is really cool. But yeah, I'm going to have to check to see if this brand's cruelty-free or not. All right. And we got one more item. It is from, I don't know if I'm saying this brand right. I've gotten stuff from them before. It's either Dose or Duce Cosmetics. It is the Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. It is their fine tip graphic liquid eyeliner in black. Ooh, this is super, that's super pointy. I am probably not going to keep this. I know this brand is cruelty free. I'm not going to keep this. I have so many black liners right now. So many black liquid liners that I've been really liking. So I'm going to put this in a giveaway. It says, Duce aims to inspire us to express their unique beauty, just like us. This waterproof felt tip liner won't smear or smudge. Go bold and graphic or wing it out. Your options are endless. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm going to throw this in a future giveaway. So I'm going to check on this brand to see if they're cruelty free. If they are, I'm going to keep this brush. I'm going to keep the Ico mascara. I'm going to keep the face masks. And I'm going to pop in this eyeshadow and eyeliner in the giveaway. So I'm going to clean all this up and then we're going to see what's in my BoxyCharm box. Alrighty, now it's time to see what is in my BoxyCharm box for the month of February. Let's get the card out first. Okay, this month's theme is Afterglow. They don't have a story on it or anything like that. So let's see what's inside. We have a bottle of the Touch and Soul No POREblem Primer. Funny fact, I actually used this primer today. So I have a backup. I absolutely love this primer. This primer is amazing. It really does help with pore filling and blending out, smoothing out your skin and blurring it. It's just, it's a really good primer. And now I got a backup. I always like to have backups to my stuff, especially stuff that I like. All right, let's see what's next. Ooh, we have a tube of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is actually the first time I have a full size of this. I have a full size of the waterproof, but of the regular one, I've always used sample sizes. But now I have an actual full size one. I love this mascara. The wand is amazing. Oh, it smells so good. But I'm glad that we got this. That's a good one. All right, next up we have from Grande Lips. It is Hydro Pump Liquid Lipstick Semi-Matte in the shade Honey Ginger. If this is the shade that's on the box, I am probably not going to keep this because I do not like shades like that on myself. Ooh, this packaging's really pretty though. That is really pretty packaging. Ooh. Does look like this. And I am not going to keep this. This is too light for me. I don't like shades like this. I'm not a big fan of shades like this. It's got a strong cake batter smell to it. But that's what it looks like. That's what the doe foot applicator looks like. I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. It went nowhere near my nose. I had it like this and I could smell it. So I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. All right, what's next? Ooh, we got something from Pretty Vulgar. It is a highlighter. It is in the shade Shimmering Swan. I don't know if the shade's Glow Up or if the shade's Shimmering Swan. I don't know. But this is what she, ooh, that's what she looks like. That is super pretty. I don't want to swatch it because it looks, ooh, it's nice and soft. Ooh. It's like a rose goldish type of, it's very subtle. I do see that. It kind of reminds me of Sophia from Gerard Cosmetics. It's very subtle. So that would look good both on pale skin and on deeper and on my deeper skin beauties, and especially for pale skin because it is so subtle. Now, if it was blinding and it was like super pigmented, it probably would not work very well on fair skin tones, but this is a really good universal shade. I really do like this. That's pretty. All right, and last, let me wipe this off. Okay, and last we have more face masks. This is from the brand Tula Probiotic Skincare. Okay, looks like I got 4 of these. These are the Bright All Night Long Energizing Sheet Masks. They are cruelty-free. There is the cruelty-free stamp on the back. I've actually been wanting to try this brand, so I'm pretty excited over these. And I can't wait to see if they actually work. Ooh! I like the holographic packaging. That's pretty. I'm going to have to try these out tonight. So, BoxyCharm did a really good job. I will be right back and we're going to talk about final thoughts and prices. Now, prices and final thoughts. The prices for the items in BoxyCharm. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara is $24. That is their standard price for this mascara. The pretty, okay, it's called the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter, and the shade is called Glow Up. Okay, now we got it. This retails for $32. Why is this brand so much money? Ugh, they make such great products, but they are stupid expensive. Ugh, Pretty Vulgar, get it together. I mean, it's a really pretty highlighter. This is a really great brand, but they are just so stupid expensive. Ugh. All right, the Touch and Soul No POREblem Primer is $18, and that's actually a really good price for this because a little goes a long way. You will get your money's worth. A bottle of this lasted me, I want to say 8-9 months. So, yeah, that's a really good price for that. The Tula sheet masks. If these are $24 for 2 sheet masks, I'm going to scream because that is stupidly expensive. What? It says $24 on here, but I don't know if it's $24 for 4 of them or $24 per set, which has 2 in them. I'm going to have to research it. Oh my God. Oh, these brands and these prices with skincare is insane. Crazy. And the Grande Lips lipstick is $25. So, which isn't that bad considering how much higher end, well, not higher end. Yeah, higher end. Because I like to think inexpensive higher end luxury. Considering what higher end lipsticks normally go for. But this is going in a giveaway. So, overall, I have to say I really enjoyed this month. Both Ipsy and BoxyCharm. So especially BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm just kind of like really blew it out of the water this month. I'm kind of glad we didn't get a palette. I'm so sick of palettes right now. I have so many palettes, it's not even funny. But yeah, I will post links down below in the description box. If you want to sign up for Ipsy or BoxyCharm, they are not affiliate links. I do not earn any money off them at all whatsoever. They're just referral links if you want to sign up. That is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to pick up my glitter palette with Texas House of Glitters. We all know she is so super pretty and she looks like this. Don't forget that these 4 shades are exclusive to this palette only. You cannot purchase these individually. So if you want to get on the train that is Hubster, Mama, Sassy Pants, and Bat Squad, you're going to have to pick this bad boy up. I do have a discount code that you guys can use to save you 15% off this palette and any other item at Texas House of Glitters, and it is right here at the bottom of the screen. I do not earn any money at all whatsoever with this discount code. It is just there for you guys to save some money. And as always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, and on Instagram as MelissaLeahGarrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. You see them with my face and this gorgeous smile. Report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel to everyone as well. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting. Even though we mainly know I post on Tuesdays and Fridays. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye. I'm tired. I had fun on my life though. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm not ready. Oh my god, face mask city going on. So many face masks. I am ready to edit. This lipstick looks really good.